So now that you've done all of your sources, your podcast, your TED Talk, your infographic, your article, and your choice, you need to look through all of those assignments and pick something that you learned from each of them. And like the most interesting thing you learned from each of them. And then type it here. What's worth telling someone about from each of them. So from your podcast, what's worth telling us about from your podcast, etc. Okay, so retype your topic here and then go back through your assignments and figure out, okay, one of the most interesting things from my podcast was this, from my TED Talk was this, from my infographic was this, from my article was this, and from my choice assignment was this. And then list out and then just type out those things. And probably best to do it word for word instead of paraphrasing, because you can paraphrase later. But just what is worth knowing? What's the most interesting things from each one of those sources? If you ended up like you couldn't find a TED Talk on yours, instead it was a YouTube video, you can go ahead and erase TED Talk or delete TED Talk and type YouTube, just so that we know that that's actually what it was from.